Hi, I'm Tristan.
I'm John.
I'm Tristan.
Tristan too. So we are here to talk about and actually put to the test the great pickle controversy. Did you know there was a pickle controversy?
What is the pickle controversy?
We haven't been able to figure that out.
I don't know what it is, but Thrillist is talking about it.
Yeah.
So we're here to see what's going on and prove
That you can do it.
that we can do
We
it.
can do it. We're going to prove we can do it. And we actually went out to people on the internet and found people who recommended different combinations of pickles and nut butter.
So one of the ones was from Hot Hands Bakery was hot dill pickles, Farv's hot dill pickles with the Mountie. And then the other one was Hannah Brandt, and she said the Monkey King with are those spicy asparagus? Or
They're,
just regular?
green beans.
Green beans. With the
Spicy
green beans.
Dill green beans, grandmother's recipe.
I like it.
Good. So we're gonna toast them up and get this started and see how it goes.
So let's make some toast. We're here for round two. What do we got here? What do we got?
You tell us.
This is our Monkey King with bananas, a whole banana in each jar. So Hannah Brandt recommended that we do the banana and Jared's product. He's going to talk about
This is
that.
my grandmother's original pickled green beans. These are the beginning of the beginning. Crispy and ready to go.
Let's do it.
You want something to undo a controversy, it's Grandma's original recipe. This is it. We're bringing out the big guns. This
That's
is
right.
gonna do it.
That's right.
All right, we got the Mountie with the
Hot dill pickles.
Thank
Local, hot, ready to go.
you. Everything local. This one is also local. We got the banana nut butter called the Monkey King with
The crunchy pickled green beans.
Grandma's recipe.
Grandma's recipe, local
All right.
dill, everything.
Are we gonna eat this? We gonna try it?
Let's bust the controversy.
Have we figured out the controversy yet? Let's try it.
We're gonna find out.
I'm gonna try this first. I'm liking it. It's great, eh?
That is good.
It's spicy, salty, sweet.
It cuts through,
No creamy enough.
yeah,
It's really good.
through the peanut butter, or nut butter, I'm sorry.
We're cutting through this controversy as fast as the vinegar is cutting through that nut butter.
This is good.
Let's see. There's no controversy. When you bring a pickle guy in, there's no controversy left.
True.
No, it's all
Maybe we'll figure
science.
this
The pickle pro.
It's all science. We're
It's
gonna
all
try
science.
this.
Let's move on. Let's do
do it.
these.
Do this. The beans.
So this is gonna be sweeter, right?
It's really good. I love it.
I've never had bananas and green beans together.
Me neither, but
I'm
it's
John.
awesome. It's
That's
awesome.
interesting.
These were great suggestions
That
by
actually
the
is-
people
this is
on,
really good.
online.
This one's really good.
This one's good.
You can really taste that banana.
Crunchy. It takes a while to get the green bean in there,
I love it.
but that vinegar bite at the end. I'm going in again.
This one's really good.
This might be the winner. No, I like them both.
That's what I think.
Are we gonna vote?
This one's the winner. I vote on this one. Didn't even have to think about it.
I'm such a spicy guy that I go for this one.
I think they're both good in their own way. This has such a different texture. Kind of builds the sandwich, and there's just more of a vinegar bite, I think, to this one.
Yeah.
There it is, the winner. They're both good, but this is the winner.
High five.
Here we go. Pickles and nut
I
butter.
got peanut butter all over.